Welcome to the second episode of Finessin with Kicks. This is the Smoothie edition, Volume 1. I hope you guys are ready. I appreciate y'all for watching the first episode, and I hope that continues sticking with me on this journey. Thank you.
What up, internet family? Welcome to the second episode of Finessin with Kicks. Today we finna be healthy, so I'm about to twist up a quick little smoothie. Alright, let's get into it. So first things first, I'm a lime head. So I'm gonna cut this lime up real quick. And for this recipe, you're only gonna need 1/3 of a lime. About that much. Alright? Throw that bitch in there. You're gonna need ice. Got this straight from the fridge. Throw that hoe in there. You know what I mean? And now, you're gonna have fun. It depends on whatever fruits you want to use, okay? So for my smoothie, I'm using banana, pause. Break that up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, and for the smoothies, they got that nice thick pause feel. You're gonna need a little bit of yogurt. So I'm using some Upstate North yogurt. I mean, this is peach, so I'm gonna throw that whole in there. But you can use whatever yogurt you want to use. I mean, you can use Greek yogurt, fucking banana yogurt, vanilla yogurt. It's your preference, really. I already did the bananas, did the yogurt, ice. You're gonna throw a little grapefruit in there. Not a lot, just a little, because grapefruit is bitter as hell. And we want a nice, smooth tasting smoothie. So I'm gonna show you how to tone this grapefruit down in just a second, alright? Get these seeds and everything out this joint. Okay, keep adding your fruits, because we being healthy today, okay? And me, I already got some coconut milk that I finna add in there. This smoothie right here is vegan as well, in case you was wondering. I got some frozen vegetables. I got pineapples, peach, strawberries, both freshly cut. Just frozen them overnight. Freeze those, put those in there. You know what I mean? Throw that hole in the trash. Throw some cranberry juice in there. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna throw some lime juice. You see how I did 1/3 lemon? 1/3 lime? This is the other half, so this is a half a lime, right? And I'm gonna put that juice in there. Okay. And then last but not least, I think, is the honey. Okay? So I'm gonna throw that honey in there. I'm gonna put my hand in there because, you know, this is my smoothie and I got gloves on. Shit, mate? Are you kidding me? Alright. Throw that in the sink. Take these gloves off. Put the top on this blender. Let's get to mixing. And if your smoothie is just not as smooth as my smoothie is, you can throw some more in there. The texture, you want it smooth. You feel me? You don't want no chunked up smoothie. You want to be smooth as milk. That should be enough mixing. See that? That's the consistency you want right there. I drink mine out the mason jars.
You gotta say finesse at the end of all your shit.
Yeah, I know, nigga, don't fuck my shit up, my nigga. Now I gotta edit that. Finesse. So viewers at home, that's what I want y'all to do, okay? I want you to make your smoothie and then send me a video to Rob Cooks on Instagram, okay? And we're gonna do healthy living for the next few months of 2019, okay? This is Finessin with Kicks, Smoothie Edition.
Thank you for watching another episode of Finessin with Kicks. I appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. This was Finessin with Kicks on Driven TV. Make sure you check out our latest content on Driven TV. We got the Mousetrap up there. We got Fog Studio Sessions up there. Please tune in. I want to give a special shout out to my man Fog, 4 underscores on Instagram, and my man Cooley on the beat, _Cooley B. Appreciate y'all. See y'all next week.